I remade this prime ad just using Photoshop.
Add it up.
Now, the way I tackled this challenge is that I only have 1 hour to complete each poster. I'm doing orange and grape in this video, and I also can only use Envato elements for the images. So those are the 2 rules. Now let's get into it. Now, because I'm in Australia, they don't really have Prime everywhere, so I had to go to ASN, this Aussie website, and I just bought it. It actually cost me $8 per drink, so yeah, legit. So I got the orange one and the grape one. The others were out of stock, so I couldn't grab it. And then what I did is I just put them on my desk, and I put this little white box to get the white space, and I can cut it out in Photoshop really easy. So I just took some photos real quick, and then I set up my Photoshop file, and I cut out the bottles in the design. Now what I'm gonna do is, here are the images that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna throw them on, and I'm gonna time myself really quick and try and smash it out. All right, so first up, I did do some sketches. As you can see here on my page, I really wanted to go for a few of these designs. I'm going for the ice one, or probably the water splash one, just because it's a drink about, you know, revitalization, about getting energy. It's got coconut water in it, so it's a very healthy drink, low calories. And so I just did some quick rough sketches, and what I'm gonna do is just gonna go on Envato and start to look for images. Now what I'm gonna type in here, I'm gonna just type in orange for now in the search bar, and you can get photos on Envato, really cool. We've also got 3D assets that I could probably use. There's also graphics there, but for now, I think I'm probably gonna go for photos, and I'm gonna click isolated. This helps me find an image with a transparent background, because I don't wanna have to cut out objects too much, so it will make it a lot easier if I can find something that's really cool. So we can see we've got orange slices, so I'm gonna download this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some images, and then we'll get back to designing the ad. So first up, I've got all my assets, I've got my bottle cut out in Photoshop, and now the 1 hour begins, and see if we can design an ad. Let's go. All right, now this is done. Wow, that was a challenge, but now I'm gonna do the grape one in 1 hour. I'm gonna set the timer again and see how we go. And that's it. Here is the final result. Let me know what you think. Which one's better, the grape one or the orange one? Leave a comment below and let me know which one are you vibing with. It was a fun challenge. I'm really excited to do some more of these fun challenges, you know, challenging myself to design something, being creative, and hopefully you learned something as well along the process. If you want to use the same assets, you know, the overlays and the mock-ups and the images, then check out Envato Elements. It's a great platform. It has so many graphic design assets, over like 50 million. It's got photos, it's got fonts, it's got mock-ups, it's got images and vectors. It's so amazing, so definitely check it out. I'll put a link in the description below and you can get it for 50% off at only $16 a month if you sign up with the annual plan. Thanks so much for watching. If you do want to see another video similar to this, check out the video on the screen. I'll catch you next time.